Today going to be cooking up 2 pork shoulders to make some pulled pork. Going to try 2 different marinades, new ones to me. So this one, it's an interesting name, Butt Rub. Picked it up from the local store. The other one is a Mississippi Firefly. So we're going to do the same, salt, pepper, bit of olive oil on top, and just marinate them. So we're going to cook them exactly the same, just to see if we can tell the difference between the two. So the cook itself will probably last around about 12 to 14 hours. So good morning, we're now 4.5 hours into the cook. Just thought I'd have a quick look at it. So we're still cooking 115. Nice. So I'll leave that another 4 hours before I take a temperature and then go from there. We're at the 11-hour mark now. What we're actually going to do is wrap the meat. So I've prepared some apple juice which is mixed in with the butt rub and also the Mississippi rub. So we're actually going to let them sit maybe another 2-3 hours. So we're just going to put some moisture back into the meat and let it sit on the heat. So at 11 hours in, we're going to have a look at the meat, how it's getting on. So the 2 parts there. And so internal temperature is sitting around about 82 degrees at the moment. And you just see very soft there. So we're actually going to take that off now and say get ready to wrap. So we still want to try and get that temperature up about another 10-15 more degrees. But it's going to be wrapped and placed with the juice that we just made. So we're going to place the butt rub and apple sauce on top of this, shortly followed by a wrap. And so just adding a little bit of moisture back in, and so just to create a bit of steam. And we're going to do the same for the other one. So we're 13 hours in and we're just taking the first one off. So we've got internal temperature of about 93 degrees. What we're going to do is take off the top, put that back into the grill to crisp up the top. But as you see, it's very soft underneath. So we're just going to let that rest and then be ready to eat in an hour or so. So I've put the pork indoors now to let rest. So in the meantime, we took the cap off. Going to really hit that temperature high now. Want to really get some crispy skin. And so it's a delicious little side piece to the pulled pork. And so can't wait for this.